India's defense sector is on a mission to build, to lead, and to export. By 2029, India aims to achieve rupees 3 lakh crore in defense production and 50,000 crore rupees in annual defense exports. This is a bold vision for a self-reliant nation ready to lead the world. To achieve true self-reliance in defense, we need more than advanced technology. We need purpose-driven leaders. For over 40 years, NADP has been that force, training 20,000 officers and evolving into the cornerstone of capacity and capability building in India's defense sector.
Let me tell you how NADP is unique. We run like a corporate university style. Our students do a lot of projects and they try to see that they apply the knowledge. That's what our emphasis on how to apply the knowledge. We are unique in the sense that we believe in holistic grooming of the individual so that he becomes a good leader.
Recognized by DOPNT and accredited Ati Uttam by the Capacity Building Commission with an IMS certification, NADP stands tall as a premier central training institute. At the heart of our mission is the AICTE-approved postgraduate diploma in management, business management. This rigorous 2-year program redefines management education steeped in the fundamentals of management, digital transformation, and defense-specific strategic management. From Harvard case studies to national seminars, we sharpen minds for critical thinking and problem solving. The pedagogical approach includes classroom lectures, industrial visits, field visits, a capstone project, and essential internships, ensuring a blend of theoretical knowledge and practical application. We also prioritize holistic development, offering personalized mentoring, psychometric testing, and wellness programs, including yoga and the art of living. With CSR, POSH, and gender sensitization, we are shaping inclusive, ethical, and socially responsible leaders with our innovation cell, supported by IIM Nagpur Incubator, fostering applied research, patents, and startup thinking.
Over these 2 years, I have evolved personally and professionally in numerous ways.
Campus life teaches us discipline, unity, and respect.
My learning didn't just stop through classroom learning, it has developed my overall personality.
The impact of our PGDM program is clear. We achieved 100% placements for the first batch of PGDM, with students securing internships across India's most dynamic sectors. Beyond our flagship PGDM, NADP empowers minds across various platforms. We have launched 70 cutting-edge e-learning courses in I Got Karma Yogi, covering defense, governance, and innovation. Completed by over 4.92 lakh certifications with 4.5 average star rating. In a pioneering collaboration, IIM Visakhapatnam, in partnership with NADP, has launched an executive MBA program. NADP also offers a 1-year executive research program in collaboration with Eudoxia Research University USA and Eudoxia Research Center India. Our collaborations strengthen NADP's mission through memberships with IMA, NHRD, ISTD, IPMA and NIPM. Beyond the prestigious Golden Peacock Training Award for Capacity Building, NADP has consistently been honored with numerous accolades for its outstanding academic achievements and all-round performance. Learn, lead, transform.